This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Which steps should you take to verify the OTP?
When I reset the password, I actually type my email address, the email address I have registered with that I forgot the password. I type my email address, then actually to the vendor API, it send an email to my email address, and I actually verify. I actually receive an OTP, 6-digit OTP. When I copy this OTP and paste it on my e-commerce application, then it allows me, actually it verifies the OTP I have sent. If I send the wrong OTP, it will not allow me to actually reset the password. If I send the correct OTP in a designated time, means in 24 hours, then this OTP will allow me to change my password, which is the reset my password.